IRS Form 433F is the collection information statement. It gives the IRS a detailed picture of your financial situation, including your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. The IRS uses this information to decide how you can resolve an outstanding tax balance, whether through an installment agreement, a temporary delay in collection, or another option. Individual taxpayers and self-employed persons who owe taxes and cannot pay in full typically file this form when requesting a payment arrangement or financial hardship consideration from the IRS collection function. In the Taxpayer section, enter your full legal name as it appears on your tax records. For example, Anna Baker. Provide your taxpayer identification number, which for individuals is your Social Security number, such as 987-65-4321. Then list your complete home mailing address, including the street. For instance, 123 Main Street, followed by your city, state, and zip code, such as Austin TX 78701. Supplying accurate name, identification, and address details ensures the IRS connects your financial statement to the correct account and can contact you about your proposed resolution. Once you have reported all income, expenses, bank accounts, assets, and debts, review every figure for accuracy and completeness. Attach any supporting documents the IRS requests, sign and date the statement, and submit it to the office or representative handling your case. Keep a copy for your records. A thorough, honest financial picture helps the IRS evaluate your ability to pay. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.